we are back here on Carolina Winneman at CAV Integrated Home. Sandy, Erin, and I are so excited
We've
to
got
feature.
Iain.
We have Iain here.
That Scottish guy again.
And you tell him what you just said. Last time we were here.
Last time we were here, we were talking about lighting and integration and your new brand and offerings here.
Yeah.
What have you been cooking?
Yeah, because here we are.
So for a while, every time you came in, I said, we're doing something good. We're doing something good. We're changing this. We did a showroom remodel well, it started off in one area, but then it kind of spread to the
Like
next.
all remodels.
And then it spread to the next. And if we're doing that, we have to do this. The whole point was really to add light fixtures. For forever, we've done lighting control. So in other words, the devices that go in the wall that control the lights that are in the ceiling or on the wall. But now, because there's so many different LED fixtures and there's lots of different specs that go into a light rather than just a 60 watt bulb, a 100 watt bulb. There's so many different things. And the use of lighting is totally different in modern homes from how it used to be.
And that's sort of what I wanted to say. It was really important for us, and you shared with us all the time, it's integrated home. It's integrated home. Lighting is part of an integrated home.
That's right. I've said for a long time, music sets the mood, and we were known with the other name for music, speakers, TVs, stuff like that. But of course, lighting also.
But there's
sets
more
the
of
mood.
the senses
So,
now that you're.
so really, we don't sell one or the other. We sell an experience.
Oh, an experience. Talk to us about that.
Well, it's really just you get home from work and you've had a tough day and you want to settle down and you want your house to look a particular way. You want your playlist to play on these speakers. You want everything to happen at the same time, and it's easy just to push a button and make all of that happen at the same time.
But when you say it's easy to do that, it's easy to do that if you have a plan and you have a professional to do that. And that's what CAV Integrated Home really offers that's different now.
Yeah, so we have people here that can design all aspects of that modern home. Everything from the Wi-Fi throughout the house, the TVs in the rooms, the speakers, whether you can see the speakers or not, the lighting control, security cameras, stuff like that, and it all kind of comes together in the integrated home.
So I wonder if everybody understands like lighting design, what exactly that means.
I don't think so.
So explain exactly what we do with lighting design and why we do it.
Yeah, I think the concept before with a lot of homes was, okay, we have this room, a square room or slightly, rectangular, whatever. We're going to have 4 cans and a fan.
Yeah, where do you
in
want your
there. That's
cans?
the 4 cans and a fan, right? Electricians would lay it out that way, and all that these 4 lights would do would be basically light the floor. It's fine, it gives you some ambient light in the room, but to add a design element rather than just stick four cans in there, add a design element in there that might highlight the features in the room, highlight the artwork. Sure, light the floor because you have to move through the room, but also perhaps there's a particular architectural feature of the room that the client worked with the architect to put in the house. Maybe that has to be highlighted a certain way. Colors, interior designers love all sorts of different colors, but the color looks different in this light compared to this light, so it's important to know how these change and also how the light in the house changes throughout the day as well, and also how the mood changes throughout the day with the lighting.
It's like you bring intention to the lighting.
That's
a really good word.
Great
and,
way of saying that.
and then an emphasis on the aesthetics as well is now happening.
Well, we're excited to say that you're going to be coming back, I think, once a month, and we're going to actually
We're
kind
thrilled.
of get an in-depth. We can talk a little bit about specific areas and creative ways to use lighting that you may never have thought of, and we will do it